Hello children, good morning all of you. Today for class 7, perimeter and area, part 3. That means you have already got 2 lessons. You must go through that lesson. Now please pay your attention on the board. Sums given from M.L. Agarwal's book exercise 16.1, sum number 8. A door of breadth 1 meter and height 2 meter is fitted in a wall. Some you will get in your book, and here also it is written clearly. When you are reading the problem, two things you have to understand clearly: what are given in the problem and what is required. These two things you have to understand clearly. Here, breadth and height. Here, breadth of a door 1 meter and height, that is length 2 meter, is given. We have to find out the area of the door, that is length into breadth. 2 into 1, that is 2 meters square. Again, the length of the wall 4.5 meter and height 3.6, that is also given. Length of a wall 4.5 meter and height, that is breadth 3.6 meter. Here, area of the wall also we have to find out. That is length into breadth 4.5 into 3.6, by calculation it is coming 16.2 meters square. Now we have to find out the area of the wall without door. Why without door? Door will not be whitewashed. This is why area of the door will be subtracted from area of the wall. This is why area of the wall without the door, that is area of the wall 16.2, and this is the area of the door. Area of the door will be subtracted from area of the wall. In that way we are getting 4.2 meters square. Now we have to find out the cost of whitewashing. The rate of whitewashing, that is given rupees 20 per meter square. The rate of whitewashing, that is this, 20 rupees 20 per meter square. That means to whitewash 1 meter square, it is required rupees 20. And area, that is this, the cost of whitewashing the wall, that is this meter. So this we have to multiply it with rupees 20. By multiplication we are getting rupees 284. This is the cost of whitewashing of the wall. I think it is clear. Next sum. Here also you have to read the sum and you have to understand clearly what is given and what is required. The rectangular part diagram I have drawn here, but diagram is not mandatory. For the sake of explanation, I have done this, and you may also draw the diagram. So A, B, C, D is the part. Here rectangular part 45 meter long and 30 meter wide. What is given here? Length of the rectangular part 45 meter and breadth, that is wide 30 meter. This is given. We have to find out the area of the part, that is length into breadth 45 into 30, that is 1350 meters square. Now we have to find out, finally we have to find out the area of the part. The one part wide 2.5 meter is given around the rectangular part. So this is why we have to find out the area of the part with path. So length of the part with path. Length of the part, that means this is the without path 45 meter, and this is with path. With path, that is 2.5 meter right side and 2.5 meter left hand side. This is increased. So with path, length of the part 45 plus 2.5 plus 2.5, by calculation it is coming 50 meter. This part you have to understand clearly. Next, similarly breadth of the path, here also that means 2 meter and 2.5 meter will be increased. So 30 plus 2.5 plus 2.5 by calculation it is coming 35 meter. Now we have to find out the area of path. That means area of the rectangular part with path, what area we are getting, and without path what area we are getting, that we have to subtract. After getting the area, length and breadth, then we have to find out the area of the part with path, that is length into breadth, 50 into 35, that is 1750 meters square. Now area of the path, that is area of the path with path, what area we are getting, from that we have to subtract what area we are getting without path, that is 1750 minus 1350. By subtraction we are getting 400 meters square. Therefore area of the park is 400 meters square. I think it is clear. If you feel difficulties, you must go through the solution again. And if you understand my suggestion without looking the solution, you must do the same sum in your copy. After doing, you must check. In this way, if you practice, certainly you will get the confidence and you will get the interest in maths also. Okay, thank you everybody.